Hey, what's up? So today I'm going to be doing a video that I already made a couple days ago, but it flopped. Oh my god, this is like the best video like content you can, like this is the best thing you can find on YouTube, hands down. Okay, bump this. I'm not doing this. I'm not learning, okay? I hate learning. That's why I don't go to school. I'm just kidding. I don't think this is the right way, bro. And so the reason why my last video flopped and it went really well, like I was wearing the same shirt, like I like the same, is because I was wearing the same shirt because I like this shirt and I want to wear it for a video. But the reason why it flopped was because I didn't have glue. Like I had glue, but like it was old. And when I was like, oh, like let's start, I opened up the glue and it was all pussy and like Dr. Miami pimple popper. I was like, that's just not what we're doing today. Anyways, let's just go straight into it because we just did not talk about the past. Like, keep on moving to the future. I am trying fake eyelashes for the first time, and not only for the first time ever, but $1 eyelashes. Falsies, I guess. Ooh, I clickbaited you, catfish. They're $3. It fell. I got them from the dollar store, but they're $3, so I mean, I guess I'm rich now. I got 3 of them. This one is called Rhapsody. It's a little bougie. It's like really dramatic. Same thing with Essence. And then Confusion, which is just like an everyday kind of thing. I have Ardell Lash Glue. It's clear adhesive, I've never done this before. I mean, other than that video, like I didn't even have glue, so technically it doesn't count. This is what it looks like. Like, I mean, like it looks like toothpaste, but like it's not, so don't worry. Let's do something bold. I was thinking Essence. Like I like a vibe with it. So I'm gonna just open this bad boy up. Ooh, ASMR. I'm just gonna put on mascara on my left eye. So yeah, this one doesn't have mascara, this one has mascara. So I'm like having difficulties like, first of all, taking it off. Oh, and I have my mirror here, so that's why I'm like, let's just pull this bad boy off. Alright, so this is what they look like. So I have my tweezers here that I'm gonna use. Oh, there's like hair on it. Okay, so this is the lashes. And then, oh, y'all. Was I supposed to shake it? Y'all, abort mission. Oh my god, it's sticking to my hand. Okay, we're fine now. I was getting so, girl, I just had my whole life flash before my eyes. Okay, but now there's like tissue paper attached to the glue, or attached to, oh my lord. Was I supposed to shake it? Let's shake it. Shake it. Okay, I squeezed it out a little, and now I'm just putting it on the lash line. Y'all see that? But there's that look a clump. I don't know what I'm doing wrong. Just gonna shake it, and we're gonna grab the other lashes real quick, so we don't have to waste that glue that's on the ground here. And just gonna scoop it and put it on these lashes. Scoop it. Oh my god, this is so ghetto. Ooh. Okay, whatever. Okay, it's like clearing up. So I guess I'll like wait until it's like, how do I know if it's tacky? It completely dried. Oh my god. I waited too long. Let's put this one on this eyelash. On this eye. Oh, frick. Oh my god, I'm such a mess. Y'all, calm down. Oh wait, this is for my left eye and I used it. Oh my gosh. Okay. I'm so dumb. Stupid. Alright, let's do this. Okay, this won't be a good shot because like I'm like leaning. Okay, whatever. Okay, we need this. So this is for my left eye. Let's just plop it. Align it. Like that. I'm gonna push it. Y'all see this? Y'all see this motion? Ooh!
I'm a bad bitch, fuck the bitch. Bitch get slick, I'ma cut the bitch.
Girl, it looks so good. Is you blind? Okay. I be feeling myself a little too much. It don't even look that good. Like I literally just put it on. Like, is that what we're trying to do? Is that what we're doing? first one was supposed to be casual. Like, is this, in person, from far, like, away, it don't look that bad. Like, I'm just like flying, you know. It feels the same way it felt when it's in the packaging. So, and we just do not talk about this failure of a science project. We're just gonna like scrub it on this eye now without mascara. We're gonna do Essence, the crazy eyelashes.
All my life I want money and power, respect my mind, or die from last shout. I pray my dick get big as the eventually.
Like hashtag humble, but I did so, like, it's like on there, bro. Oh my, I'm so proud of myself. I'm literally so proud. This side, honestly, I feel like if I knew how to do it properly, these could be like elite. And, you know, not even phased, because from far away, you can't even tell. And thanks so much for watching Catfish 101. That's how you catfish people. I'm kidding. But yeah, I guess that's the end of the video. Like literally a noob, a beginner trying to put on fake eyelashes for the first time. It was somewhat a success, but it's just like, it takes time with it clearly. But anyways, if you like this video and you like this idea, please thumbs up and subscribe for more stuff like this. Anyways, thanks so much for watching. I'll see y'all next time.